Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn a Essay Speech. Today in this video we will learn how to make sentences. First, school. I love to go to school. Next, mother. My mother is very kind. Farmer. My father is a farmer. Son. The sun gives us light. Rose. Rose is a beautiful flower. Pen. This is my pen. Friend. Ram is my best friend. Mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. Teacher. I love my teacher. Country. India is my country. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest videos.